91 Klugh Avenue is nestled in the quiet country community of Ridgeland, South Carolina. Klugh Avenue is a small, quiet street off of Peace Creek Road. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home boasts 2,300 square feet of enjoyable living space. It offers hardwood floors, high ceilings, and elegant features throughout. Nestled on half an acre, it also has a bonus room over the attached 2-car garage. This floor plan easily flows and is nice and open. The family room has access to the fenced backyard from the French doors, leading out to the large fenced backyard. The kitchen is adorned with stainless appliances and custom cabinetry. There is also granite countertops, convenient lighting below the cabinets, and room for the kitchen table next to the bay window. The master suite, as well as the additional bedrooms, all have plush carpet. The master bath has double sinks, separate shower and tub, and nice bright window for natural light. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill full bathroom with double sinks. The large fenced backyard has a fabulous custom man cave she shed that has unlimited opportunities. The possibilities are endless with air conditioning, insulation, and electricity.